Hi everybody, I'm WSchrittwieser, CEO of Mind Consultant Research. Together with our partners, we manage a European project system. Generally, we develop and implement projects for research, innovation and business development, and later on use this gained knowledge for trainings. Our target groups are pretty widespread. Thus, we organize so-called policy learning labs for stakeholders to create a better understanding for new technologies and business needs. Currently, we work on these regional and regional national ministries as well as different DGs from the European Union, as for instance DG Regio, DG Connect, Research and Growth. Another story I want to tell is our current Erasmus project for digital transformation, where we connect more than 160 research and training organizations in Europe for a long-term plan and a very strategic-oriented implementation phase. We start with small pilot actions and continue later with strategic flagship projects. I want to highlight one of these actions from our cooperation partner, My Academy in Carinthia, where an international program for apprentices was implemented. They started with Germany and Austria, and later on Italy and Switzerland will follow. Beside new technologies, the apprentices learn to take responsibility and develop own projects across companies and regions. Now I want to present you two friends and cooperation partners to show you their approach to new technologies in terms of research, which means gaining new knowledge, and later on training, which means using the knowledge. Thank you so far.
Hello, my name is Aleš Hancic. I'm coming from TECO Slovenian Tool and Die Development Center. We are one of the oldest Slovenian technological center dealing with helping industry to get new knowledge, to transfer new ideas, new scientific achievement, new scientific breakthroughs to the companies, to help them in their production, to help them in their development of new products, to help them to reach the new market. We are a research training facility, and we are also development center for the companies, and we always work on that we train the companies with education, with seminars to help them to transfer the knowledge that we do in research to their companies, to basically to help them to compete on the global market. TECOS is basically working on four main areas. The first is engineering services for the companies. We are optimize their products. We do design and construction of new products, and also helping them set up the production of their products. So reduce cost, reduce energy consumption, put new materials, biomaterials, recyclable materials into their production, and overall help basically that they are working better on the market. The second pillar that we do is applied research. We research for the companies to help them to improve their production, help them to improve their product, and our research is very product oriented, or process oriented. So we hope that all our research is at least in 1 or 2 years on the market. So we are very much oriented to help companies with our research. We also transfer this research to specialized trainings. We basically are also a VET organization, so education facility. We have education facilities, and we help our customers, our partners, to gain new knowledge on the research and on the world new trends. This helps them basically to implement new design techniques, new simulation techniques, new digitalization techniques, automatization, robotization into their production. We are also in the industrial association, and we help companies in our cluster to get new partners, new customers, to go on new markets. We help them to promote them, and we also help them to show their needs to the government, to the European Union, of what the tool making and processing industry really needs in this global world. We are very much working on the digitalization of the Slovenian companies. We work this through main programs that we are involved in. One is strategic research and innovation partnerships. where we want to where we help them with strategy development, with promotion of RTDs, with internationalization, with human resources, entrepreneurship, with networking, and basically show them what is on the market regarding digitalization. And we can also help them to put the new sensorics, new artificial intelligence, robotics and similar into their production. We also are part of a Digital Innovation Hub Slovenia with support environment for digital transformation, for digital competence development. We have external experts training, tools, best practices. We show them what lessons have we learned from other companies and so on to help them to put these new practices into the making. We are also working very hard on circular economy. We are one of the first in Slovenia that implemented new biomaterials to the companies. We tried and helped them to get knowledge about this kind of materials and also about their recycling and use some waste materials into their production, recycled materials, crop materials and so on. So basically everything to add to the green circle of the materials, from the materials being born to end usage and then recycling. So this is about it, about our company. We would be very glad for any kind of questions or any kind of further contact. Thank you very much.
Hello again. Hello, everybody. My name is Mario Della. I'm director of the University of Applied Science, Kufstein, Tyrol. And it's a real honor and pleasure for me to participate in this interview section with Walter. So it's already a very pleasure for us to tell a little bit about our institution and about our research projects. And so our university is around 25 years old, and we run 24 bachelor and master programs, and we have around 2,200 students, international students in our campus. And one of our mindset is that internationality is one of our main issue at the university. So all of our full-time students have to stay at least one semester abroad at one of our 200 partner universities. And this is a real pleasure for us to have the international mindset, and also our research projects are very, very oriented in internationality and exchanging ideas. And in this context, I will explain or show you one of our research ideas and research projects, where you can see how we apply networking to our partners, how we share ideas, and how do we explore with our different education partners. So just give me a second for showing our some slides. Okay, so what you see here is one of our research projects in the Interreg Austrian Bavarian funding program. And it's about data science and how can we collaborate according to data science research questions. And the program runs for around 2 years, and you see we have 6 partners of in the area of universities and universities of applied sciences, and they are in the cross-border region. So we are starting in the east with University of Passau and going to Salzburg. Here we have the University of Salzburg and University of Applied Science, Salzburg. Then our institution, University of Applied Science, Kufstein, Tyrol, and we have the University of Applied Science in Kempten and the University of Applied Science in Vorarlberg. And all those universities have one thing together, so they have some experts in the area of data science. And the idea of the project is now that we, on the one side, elaborate some networking issues, that we get to know each other better, so that we know that this institution has a background in maybe visual analytics, another institution has maybe a background in mobility. So this is one aim of our research projects, and the other aim is so that we have a lot of knowledge and in this area, and we want to transfer this knowledge to our industry partners. So to let our economy in the region gain by the experiences that we have in our environment. And based on that, we do some workshops and some events. This is one possibility how we can transfer our knowledge. And the other possibility is what we do is that we set up 12 best practice examples. So we are working on 12 real use cases of our industry partners, and we try to find some solutions for them. And of course, all those solutions and results that we gain are publicly available for all the economic and industry partners in the region, and of course all over the world. So let me just show you what are the main competences of our research projects and research partners. So what you see here is that, of course, data science is a very broad domain, and what we have found out by collaborating and finding together is that we have identified 6 main competences that the individual partners can share with each other. So we have strong expertise in computer vision, in mobility, in predictive maintenance, digital twin, natural language processing, and blockchain. So those are the main directions our research projects are oriented, and where we can support local and international economy partners, of course. And to get an idea what kind of research projects or what kind of best practice projects we are currently working on is here a slide about some examples. So we are running projects with companies in the area of e-mobility. We are doing a lot in the area of predictive maintenance for smart farming, for instance, or setting up a system where data analytics as a service can be used for predictive maintenance issues. And we are also running a lot of projects in the area of automated mobility. So the idea is to establish an infrastructure, to establish a regional data hub where data is collected and analyzed in order to allow automated mobility use cases for drones, buses, cars, and so on. So those are the idea where we can share our expertises, where the industry partners gain, where our universities, the university partners gain, and we move forward in order to have a lot of exchange between the universities and our education system, because of course all those experiences and projects are done with our local students, with the students of the other universities, and therefore we share also knowledge of real world or real use cases to our students in the student projects. So and of course any question is highly welcome for our Data KMU project or to our university. So thanks a lot, and bye bye.